Hey Dad, I want something. Huh? Something what? Just tell me, what do you want? I want that red toy. A red car like that because I want to play it with my friend. I'm sorry son, I don't have much money. If you want, I'll buy that white one because that white one is cheaper than that red one. Oh, come on Dad. If that white one is tinier than the red one, I don't want to have some tiny toy. Son, if you're still asking for that big one, that red toys, I'll buy the tiniest among all. That one, the military car. But if you don't want, okay, we don't have to buy anything in here. Come on, Dad. No! Have you understand about that conversation begin? That conversation begin with degrees of comparison. Then, what is the degree of comparison? Okay, degrees of comparison are used to compare one, two, or more kinds of person, things, animal, or idea. Okay. Degrees of comparison today we use is all about adjectives form. In adjective form, there are three forms. First is positive degree. Second is comparative degree. Third is superlative degree. Let's check it out one by one. Positive degree are base form of adjectives. There's nothing changed in this form. And then the second form is comparative degree. Comparative degree are to compare one person or thing or animal or idea with another and enable us to say whether a person, a thing, animal or that idea has more or less of particular quality. And then next to the superlative definition, superlative degree is to describe one person or thing or animal or idea as having more of a quality than all other people, things or animal or idea in some group, in some conducted one, that situation. Okay. Next, how to form that three of degrees of comparison. Okay, let's check it out. There are three kinds to form. We can use for one syllable in an adjective, and then second is for two syllables, then the third is for three or more syllables, more than two. Okay, because each word that have something different. Okay, one syllable use A, two syllable use B, third syllable use G. Check it out together. Let's go. One syllable and two syllable is same formula. We can check it out. First, for the positive degree, it has same base form. It's kind of like some big base form, big, and then just one. Big is one, okay? One syllable. And then how about the comparative? The comparative form is made like this: adjectives plus er and then plus then. If there in the adjectives has y in the end of the word, y like something like easy, E-A-S-Y, we must change y in every y to I. Okay, it will be like easier, like that, easier than. And then the third, how about the superlative form? The superlative form is D plus adjectives plus ESD. Okay, like the easiest. Okay, So check it out to the example. Yes, we have the example. There are 3 persons in this picture. First is the man, second is the boy, and then the third is woman. The man is 175 centimeter. The boy is 120 centimeter. And then the woman is 150 centimeters. Okay. In this situation, we choose tall as the adjectives. Okay. The positive form, the boy is tall. Then the comparative form, we can compare it with the woman is taller than the boy because the woman is 150 centimeters and the boy is just 120 centimeters. And then how's about the superlative form? The superlative form is like this. The man is the tallest among them. Okay, that's the example for 1 and 2 syllables. And then next to the 3 or more syllables. In 3 or more syllables, first, for the positive form, it's the same as 1 and 2 syllables, and there's nothing changed in this form. In adjectives, okay, like handsome, okay, it's the same. And then the second is comparative form. We use more plus adjectives plus than, okay. More plus adjectives plus than, okay. Next to the superlative form, okay. The superlative form is the plus most plus adjectives. Okay, next to the new situation of examples. Yes, we can check to this picture. There are 3 sofas in here. The green sofa is priced 500,000 rupiah. And then next to the black sofa is priced 1,500,000 rupiah. Okay, the last, the white sofa is priced 5 million rupiah. Okay. Let's check it out to the next. Okay, we got it. We choose expensive. Okay. First, the green sofa is expensive. Okay, next, the black sofa is more expensive than the green sofa. Okay, and then next, the white sofa is the most expensive among them, or we can say among all. Okay, it has the same meaning. That's the differentiation from 1 and 2 syllables form and the 3 or more syllables form in degrees of comparison. But there are some exceptions in degrees of comparison. Not all adjectives can be done with like that formulas. Here's some exception. Okay, first line, good and well. So the comparative is better, the next is best. And then the second is little. Little is the positive, and then the comparative is less, superlative is least. Next, bad or badly or evil or ill. That's the positive degrees. And then the comparative degrees is like worse, and then the superlative is worse. Next, many or much. It's for many for countable, much for uncountable. The comparative form is more, and then the superlative form is most. Next to the late. Late is the positive degree. To the comparative degree will be later. Superlative degree, the late. Finally, for. For is more unique in here because in comparative it has further or further, and then in the superlative will be farthest or furthest. Okay. That's the exception based on degrees of comparison. Okay. Have you understand about the material? Okay. If you have done to understand this, let's check my padlet and do your homework for assignment today to make your comprehension better. Thank you very much. I'm Dian dan Hendro. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.